Hello, dear friends. My name is Prince Chinedu. I hope everyone is okay and fine. I'm going to be showing you a typical shading technique that all artists must consider in this video. Without wasting much time, let's go right into it. Yeah, I've already done the sketch. Now, this pressure control might not seem fun to do or interesting, but this is a very important practice because it helps you control the pressure you apply on the pencil on the paper. This is going from light to dark shading. You can also do it by going from dark to light. It helps you to get accurate shading on your drawing. Pressure control is one important shading practice that you as an artist must consider. And not only getting this pressure correct, but also getting the shading correct also. This this practice helps me a lot. And also when I don't feel like drawing, I can just pick up my sketch pad and practice this pressure control technique. It helps a lot. As you can see, I was holding the pencil in the middle to help me get accurate gradients or transition. If I had held the pencil at the end, I would have get more lighter shading. On the other hand, if I had held the pencil at the mouth, I would get dark shading. But due to the gradient I want, I had to hold it at the middle. So dear friends, my name is Praise Chinedu, and if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video if you find it helpful, because more videos are coming very soon. Using one pencil to do this practice has more effects on your practice than when you use different pencils. Use one pencil makes you try to get dark shadings. And you must get the transitions correct, because as you can see, I'm moving from light to dark. That means the beginning is white and the end is dark. In the middle are transitions of gray. There are two ways of getting dark. There are two ways of making it darker. It's either you hold the pencil at the mouth and shade, or you press harder. You can do this practice whenever you are free, or if you don't feel like drawing, you can just pick up your sketch pad and practice. In my next video, which will be lesson 02, I'm going to be sharing with you another practice that is like this. If you like this video, you can press the like buttons. It helps me a lot to create videos like this, and you can also share it with your friends. Doing this helps you to control the pressure you put on paper with a pencil, and it enables you to shade accurately. So thank you guys. This is all I have for you today. And if you like this video, subscribe and press the like button. Share it with your friends. And I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. Bye.